Lisa Maninang, Avelina Santiago, Ferly Lopez, Joel and Ann Hinco, Jose and Juliet Rivera, Josie, Jack and Jimmy Hinco, Nicolas and Ami Sikat, Lainel Gosum, Peter and Aurora Turla, Ben and Glo Turla, Erlinda Castro, Frederic and Jen Castro, Al and Lisel Vitug, Titus and Ana Marie Farbo, Con and Nelson Parbo Jr., Edgar and Reina Farbo, Adolfo Garcia, Sikat Almario family, Rodenel, Carlota, and Stephanie Blair Manlutak, Claire and Romel Malonzo, Arturo Torres Jr., Ning Paharit, Ronnie, Mario, Maricel, Crispin Rizalin, Jeronimo, and Dina Gatus, Alan and Lisa Kayanan, Edgar Gatus, Joseph and Lisel Safanta, Arturo Sr., Christy Torres, Peng and Gigi Lintag, Sofia Adriel Paharit, BNP Choir family, Winston, Jenna, Wiley, Midel, Ashley, Maisy. Para king makapasabaling kay Adwanandi, Paul Albert, and Patricia Ann Parico, Patricia Gonzalez, Ethan David, Nicole David, Gabriel Gonzalez, Brennan and Connor Robinson, Annalise and Ellery Sheltness, Lito and Marita Paule, Pat Torres, Rolando and Catherine Sebastian, Jerby and Arlan Claire Sikat, Nina Ariane Sebastian, Neil Joshua Sikat, Rona Udarbe, Franz Aldrin and Angeline Sebastian, Joseph Mary Hazel and E.J. Valentino, Joseph Emilu and Ethan Di Giacomo, Mike Melody Gabriel and Michael Young, Dewey and Irene Remedios Venus, Rizalyn Venus, Derek Chris and Lisa Fineda, Nel Arlene and Ferdy Nuki, Alfredo Jr. Kayanan, John Alfred, April A.J. Aliana, Marie and Anika May Kayanan, Aline and Kylie Lasco, Angelo Minaves, John Marco Lasco, Randolph Latorre, Patrick Miguel Disda, TJ Castro, John Mark Abarde, Lisel Precious, Ella Kauleng, Ching and Divine Clemente, AC and Jonas Soriano, Senya Ibon Lasatin, Pilar Ocampo, Maxen Chua, Lita Manarang, Paul Albert and Patricia Ann Parico, Patrick, Janina and Miguel Rivera, Kyle and Justin Hinco, Abner Eugene Gosum, Leo Chris and Ruth Manlutak, Minerva Conrado, Concepcion Charmaine, Carissa Marie Ranilo, Jennifer and Rain Jasper Bisda, Cecilia Cruz, Leo and Chris Sitcharing, Willie and Irene Castro, Kristan and Jesseline Ignacio, Reynaldo